Okay, so I'm excited because I just flew in from Chicago and I just got my Nikon Red camera. The first camera Nikon Red has together, and I'm super excited. I was waiting for weeks for this and I pre-ordered it, and here it is. So thank you, Nikon, for this. Here's the first look. So as you know, Nikon bought Red, and when they combined their ideas, they created a 32-bit audio camera that shoots 6K for 60 frames per second or 4K at 120 per second. So here's the first look. I'm super excited. So now I'm about to open this. Let's see so I can see it. Open it right now. Bam. Bam. Okay. So it's crazy because it shoots, somebody break something. It shoots like red raw. That's why I'm excited for it. Like, they said this is competing with the, does it cut the manual? Oh, it didn't. But it's saying it's competing with the FX3, and I've seen some comparisons with the, you know, the Arby's. I've seen some comparisons. Hey, don't trip me out. But here's the box. Hey, this is to let y'all see that. Here's the box right here. Now this is exciting. This is exciting. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm about to open it right now. Let y'all see that. Put me up so I can see it. So, okay, here go the USB-C. This is introduction thing. Here's the manual. So let's see what we're talking about. Little connects. So some strap, and here it is, right here. Everything else, here's this beauty right here. This is what he's talking about. Right here. Maybe a little battery. So, okay. Dang, okay. Lightweight, first look. I'm loving the white letters on there, I don't know why. Okay, now I would say this screen is huge. This screen is huge, like, nah. Shoot. Bro, this is, it's light, oh my God. That looks beautiful, like full frame. That looks beautiful. So I'm excited, this is first look. I'm about to do a full review on it, and things like that for you guys, because yeah, I'm just super excited. I'm gonna do a full review, and I'm going to also shoot something as well. Maybe a little quick short film or a little go out. I'm not exactly sure. Just let my creativity go out. I wonder if this battery's charged. It'd be cool if it is. I hope so. I don't feel like I have to charge it and then try to see. I gotta get. Now, what I do have to get, I gotta get a, what's it called, an adapter. So I want an adapter so I can fit some of my, EF mounts on here as well. Okay, so this photo, I can just easy switch. Here's the thing, I didn't see that. It's an easy switch from photo to video right here. So I literally do, this is for $2,200. Well, 23 altogether, 23, like with tax and stuff. But this is for $2,300. You get a Nikon Red. Sorry, for $2,300, you get this Nikon Red camera with easy switch for photo and video. Yeah, like lightweight, good, what's it, 15 stop dynamic range, like, and you could easily switch from photo and video. So I can't wait. The rig did not come out yet, but the rig didn't come out yet, but I think Cage, small rig, should already have it. So should already have some, but I know they are trying to come up with their own that hasn't come out, and I can't wait to rig this out completely. So off the first look, it looks amazing. It looks, so that's crazy for $2,300 altogether. That's crazy. I don't think you can beat that. I don't think you can beat that. But yeah, so follow me and subscribe to this video if you guys want to see this full review when I shoot it, and I gotta get some lens and stuff. So subscribe to me. I'm Daniel Jefferson, and that's it for today.